Mukati mukoma Tazvi Mhaka zvavari kutanga hondo naTatelicious avachaemirira here. Vari kutaura ivo vakati ivo havadani nemudzimai waWicknel ende vanoshaya kuti ko iye anotanga nhema dzakadai anorara sei chaizvo usiku apo achinge adestroya mafamilies. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Tazvi Mhaka anyora iye akati ari kuda kudismissa all these allegations against him achiti zvinhu zvisina maturo, vana vakatotestewa 1 maDNA. Asika nyaya inotyisa ndeyekuti kutangana naTatelicious ihondo nekuti musikana komana uyu anonge aina maV11. Sepaakambotaura paya akati mwana wapokele muzukuru wamukuru, vanhu vakafunga kuti unonyepa, asi zvakazotobuda 1 later. So Tazvi Mhaka wrote, I find it necessary to address recent baseless allegations circulating online. While I typically refrain from dignifying such malicious rumors with the response, the gravity of these accusations demands clarification for the sake of my family, friends, business associates, and social media followers. Let me unequivocally state that these allegations of an affair with my best friend's wife and the existence of a supposed sex tape are utterly false and devoid of any merit. Moreover, the insinuation that my friend's children are mine, despite DNA tests confirming their true parentage at birth, is equally absurd. I challenge the individual behind these slanderous claims to provide any shred of evidence to support their accusations. I am confident that no such evidence exists because these allegations are nothing more than cruel fabrications. It saddens me to witness the lengths some individuals will go to in order to garner attention or social media validation, even at the expense of tearing apart families and tarnishing reputations. It is incomprehensible to me how anyone could sleep soundly after spreading such hateful lies. Rather than engage in a futile battle, I choose to respond with grace and to extend my prayers for peace to those who seek to harm me. Let us all strive for unity and support within our community, celebrating each other's success rather than tearing each other down. I have faith that Zimbabweans will continue to uplift and empower one another, knowing that our collective success is intertwined. Let us reject self-hate and embrace a future where love and solidarity prevail. Thank you for your unwavering support and understanding during this challenging time. Together we will overcome any adversity and emerge stronger than ever. Blessings to you all. Tazvi Mhaka, also known as Chief J. So ndo nyaya yaanyora iyoyo. Asika ngozi yavepo ndeyekuti homwe yenyika yatotaura yakati war declared. Gadzirai mapopcorn, live iri kukandwa manje manje.